You embody hope, healing, and humanity.
Kayo energy angels, you give energy. Yung may energy kayo na pinapasaya nyo, pinapalakas nyo ang pasyente nyo, miski may sakit.
At its core, nursing is not just about treating illness. It is about transforming lives. To embrace a path through caring requires not just to excel in technical skills. It demands love, compassion, hope, and unyielding commitment to others. You choose to be a nurse because you choose to be of service to others.
Lord, fill their hearts with your love and their minds with your wisdom. May they always be guided by your light, even in the darkest of time. As they receive their cups and pins, may they be reminded of the sacred trust they hold. May they always treat their patients with dignity and respect, as they would treat their own family. Keep them safe from harm and guide their steps. May they always be a source of hope and healing to those in need.
I would like to congratulate your mentors, responsible in providing you the best nursing education you all can hope for. The faculty members who give their darnest best, who mold you as future of this profession. The proud parents, brothers, and sisters, and other relatives of yours. The journey to making the dreams become a reality for these young men and women start with you. Thank you for believing in them. Thank you for believing in Philippine Christian University, Cavite. And thank you in believing that the field of nursing is best for them.